Guys, look at that gorgeous meat. That is a true shish kebab, done in Persian style and with a little bit of Texas seasoning. Give this a try, guys. You're gonna love these. They are delicious.
Well, howdy folks, I'm Stuart Trotter and this is Texas Cooking Today. Hey, what you're going to be making today is going to be some delicious food, and this is one of my recipe videos. Now if you get to the end of this and you're wondering how to pull off this, that, or the other, I'll tell you what, there's another show on this very same recipe. It's one of my tutorials. So I'll tell you what, it'll be the next episode after this one. Take a look at that. Those are really full of information. Now guys, thank you for watching. Let's get right into making this. Guys, you saw that picture. It's beautiful shish kebab today. Today it's going to be a very simple marinade recipe. I'm going to show you the approach to making a real good quality shish kebab. And this is the kind where, well, it's a little more authentic. This is like the real Persian thing, okay? But we're going to be using those Texas spices and flavors, which, believe it or not, kind of cross over in a lot of places. So this is wonderful fusion cooking. You're going to find out a lot about meat marinating and how to approach doing a really good quality shish kebab. So let's get in the kitchen. Let's get busy cooking this up. This is a fun, easy dish. Come on. Guys, here it is. Beautiful beef shish kebabs. Of course, I'm using a beautiful piece of top round here. You can use any cut you want. I simply chose this because the size and shape of it allowed me to teach this the way I was wanting to teach it. Now, as far as ingredients, I'm using a mixture of spices, some cumin, paprika, cayenne, and some herbs, thyme and oregano, along with some lime and lemon, a bit of salt and garlic, and I'll add water to that too. It's going to make a really nice marinade for this. In your marinating, you're going to see a lot of marinades out there, and so many of them use fat, okay? And when I say fat, I mean like olive oil or some sort of salad dressing oil. Please avoid doing this. One of the things that I teach on my show is how to use fats or oils to lock moisture into meat when we cook it, to make things juicier that way. Well, the same way that fat, that oil, will lock moisture into meat, it will also prevent liquids like these from penetrating that meat and flavoring it as a marinade. Don't get the oil involved in your marinades. It doesn't improve them, guys. It is the wrong approach. It doesn't work well. I've learned over decades of experience when it comes to marinating, you want acidic liquids that are robust in their flavors, in some cases fruity, in other cases smoky or savory, just depending on what you're going for. You need to target that when it comes to that flavor, when it comes to a good marinade. Now guys, this isn't hard. I'm going to slice the meat in thin slices so that when I line them up on skewers, they will form a beautiful solid piece of meat. And the idea there with the thin slices is you get faster marinating, a more complete, thorough marinade. The flavor runs to the core of the meat before you cook it on your grill with some smoke, and oh boy, it tastes good. Now let's get into making this. We're getting at it. Guys, when you're ready to process your meat, what you're looking for are pieces roughly 1.5 inch square by maybe a 1/2 inch thick. And so what I'm going to do is cut this into a couple of lengthwise pieces, and then we're going to cut it down into smaller pieces to be marinated. That's all there is to that. Look, we have all of our ingredients mixed together, and I'm marinating. I want to give this a couple of hours in the fridge to marinate up. I'll stir it about every 30 minutes, and then we'll get it lined up on some metal skewers and get it grilled. Shish kebabs. And guys, once you have your meat all marinated up, go ahead and get it on your skewers, and then after that we can get it seasoned. If we want to season the outside with a little salt, that's fine, and then get it out on that grill. Guys, we have our skewers all set up and ready to go here. I just need to get these right out there on my grill, and they're ready to go as is. Now guys, looky here. We have our meat on the grill, getting cooked up. Let's give it about 5 minutes per side. Now, as far as your ingredients for a marinade like this, guys, today we were using cumin, paprika, and some cayenne, also oregano, thyme. I have garlic, salt, lime juice, lemon juice. We used some water in that. And guys, as far as how much, it's pretty much just to taste, okay? As you'll notice, I used twice as much lemon as I did lime, and I balanced it by adding some water so I didn't have too much acid. So it's about, like I said, about balance. And if you'll notice, everything runs 2 to 1. So 2 parts water to 1 part lemon, 2 parts lemon to 1 part lime. And that's sort of the way I'll break things down. If you want, use other fruit juices or add soy sauce or Worcestershire sauce. Things like that work well for a marinade. Guys, it has been a wonderful day of grilling. I have some beautiful, beautiful shish kebabs here. I've pulled one piece off the end of this one because I want to cut into that and enjoy it right now. Guys, these are great, great shish kebabs. I know I've done this one before, and I'm so looking forward to this. Oh, yeah. Oh, the spices, the smoke from the wood, even the herbs, the garlic, it's all there. It's so good. I don't get a lot of citrus notes. It's there, it's in the background, but it's not up front. It's not present. It's mostly the flavor of beef. It's been enhanced with some extra flavors and tenderized with that wonderful citric acid in those juices. Guys, this is delicious. Wait till you try it. It is really good. I'd like to say thank you very much for watching this show, guys, for watching Texas Cooking Today. Please give these shish kebabs a try. Let me know what you think about them after you do so. And if you would also, please subscribe, click the like button. That does help me out a lot. And one last thing, if you would, please just have a good day. Bye-bye.
Well, guys, once again, thank you very much for watching this show, for watching Texas Cooking Today. If you would, please go to my channel, check things out there. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've got stuff coming out every single Thursday, so watch closely. There's some really good stuff coming your way. And thank you again for watching Texas Cooking Today.